All right, so question number 21 from the 2014 Math 7 SOL test has directions at the very top saying click on a box to choose each prism you want to select, and you must select all correct answers. That's kind of a little clue that there may be more than one answer that we'll be choosing. So it goes on to say the dimensions of 4 rectangular prisms are shown. Identify each of the prisms for which the maximum amount of sand the prism can hold is 30 cubic inches. So if we're talking about how much sand the prism can hold, we're talking about how much space is inside the prism. And if we're talking about how much space is inside the prism, we are talking about volume. So your volume formula, and it will be provided for you on the test, is going to be the length times the width times the height of the rectangular prism. And we want to find which of these prisms can hold exactly 30 cubic inches of sand. All right? Actually, not exactly, but which ones can hold 30 cubic inches. If they can hold more than 30 cubic inches, that's fine too. But they have to be able to hold 30 cubic inches. So if we look at our first prism and we plug in the information we're given into our formula, let's see. The length of this prism is 2. The width of this prism is 2. The height of this prism is 15. When I multiply all those together, that gives me a total of 60 cubic inches, which is certainly enough to hold 30 cubic inches. So this is one of my answers. The next prism is 1 inch long by 3 inches wide by 3 inches tall. That's only 9 cubic inches. So guess what? That one is not going to work. The next one is 2 inches long by 3 inches wide by 5 inches tall. That gives me a total of exactly 30 cubic inches. And that's all we need. We need it to be able to hold 30 cubic inches. And this one's got enough room to do that. The last one, 1 inch long by 5 inches wide by 6 inches tall. That indeed is 30 inches as well, 30 cubic inches. And that's what we need. We need it to be able to hold 30 cubic inches of sand, so this one will work as well. So 3 out of the 4 figures in here are able to hold 30 cubic inches, so we found our answers. I would guess that the mistake on this problem would be not selecting this answer. We are looking for which prisms can hold 30 cubic inches. So it's got to be 30 cubic inches or more, not exactly 30 cubic inches. If it said exactly, then we'd only be choosing these 2 prisms. But we also have to include this one because if it can hold 60 cubic inches of sand, it can also hold 30 cubic inches of sand. All right, make sure we're reading the question very carefully. Make sure we always read the gray directions at the top of the screen when we have questions like this. Thanks for watching and have a great day, everybody.